Arkansas, nestled in the heart of the South, is known as the natural state for a reason. Rolling hills, sparkling lakes, and lush forests paint its landscape. This picturesque scenery is a testament to the state's commitment to preserving its natural beauty, making it a haven for outdoor enthusiasts and nature lovers alike. But did you know that this state also boasts a surprising treasure? A treasure that is not hidden underground or locked away in a vault, but one that grows in the open fields and gardens. It's not diamonds or oil, but something much tastier: the vine-ripe pink tomato. This unique fruit has become a symbol of Arkansas's agricultural heritage and culinary tradition. Yes, you read that right. In Arkansas, tomatoes aren't just a side dish. They are an integral part of the local cuisine, adding a burst of flavor and color to a variety of dishes. They're a source of pride, a symbol of summer, and the star of countless meals. From fresh salads to hearty stews, the vine-ripe pink tomato is a versatile ingredient that brings people together around the table. Officially adopted as the state fruit in 1987, the vine-ripe pink tomato holds a special place in the hearts and stomachs of Arkansans. This designation was a recognition of the tomato's importance to the state's culture and economy. What makes this tomato so special? Is it the way it looks, the way it tastes, or perhaps the way it is grown? It's not just the vibrant pink hue that sets it apart. The color is a visual delight, but there is more to this tomato than meets the eye. The Arkansas vine-ripe pink tomato is celebrated for its sweet, juicy flavor, a delightful departure from the sometimes bland taste of its grocery store cousins. This flavor is the result of careful cultivation and the rich, fertile soil of Arkansas. Join us as we delve into the world of Arkansas's favorite fruit, exploring its history, its impact, and of course, its deliciousness. We will visit local farms, meet the farmers who grow these tomatoes, and learn about the traditions that have been passed down through generations. Get ready to slice into the story of the vine-ripe pink tomato. From seed to table, we will uncover the journey of this beloved fruit and discover why it holds such a special place in the hearts of Arkansans. The vine-ripe pink tomato is a feast for the eyes as much as it is for the palate. As its name suggests, this tomato boasts a vibrant pink hue that deepens as it ripens under the Arkansas sun. But its beauty is more than skin deep. Slice into an Arkansas pink tomato, and you'll be greeted by a juicy, meaty interior with fewer seeds than many other varieties. This means more tomato goodness in every bite. And that taste? Forget tart or acidic. The Arkansas pink tomato is known for its sweet, almost melon-like flavor, making it a favorite for snacking, slicing, and of course, starring in countless Southern recipes. Growing these beauties requires the perfect combination of warm sunshine, fertile soil, and a good dose of Arkansas love. The long, hot summers and mild winters of the state provide an ideal environment for these tomatoes to thrive. No wonder they taste like sunshine. But beyond its looks and flavor, the Arkansas vine-ripe pink tomato holds a special place in the state's history and culture. You might be wondering, how did a tomato become the official fruit of an entire state? It's a fascinating story that intertwines agriculture, community, and a bit of youthful determination. Well, it's a tale that speaks volumes about the tomato's significance in Arkansas. The journey of the tomato in this state is not just about farming. It's about how a simple fruit can become a symbol of pride and identity. The story begins in the early 20th century when tomato farming began to take root in the state. Farmers discovered that the fertile soil and favorable climate of Arkansas were perfect for growing tomatoes. The fertile soil and favorable climate proved ideal for cultivating these juicy treasures. The warm summers and mild winters created an environment where tomatoes could thrive, leading to bountiful harvests year after year. Soon, Arkansas tomatoes, with their exceptional flavor and quality, were making their way onto tables across the nation. They became a staple in households, celebrated for their taste and versatility in various dishes. But it wasn't just about economics. The tomato became a symbol of community and togetherness. Farmers would often share their harvest with neighbors, and local markets became bustling hubs of social interaction. The tomato wormed its way into the state's identity. It became more than just a crop. It was a part of the cultural fabric of Arkansas. Families would gather in tomato fields, and the fruit became a centerpiece of many local traditions. Generations of Arkansans grew up with the taste of homegrown tomatoes, picked fresh from the vine and enjoyed at family gatherings, picnics, and summer suppers. The tomato was a constant presence in their lives, a reminder of home and heritage. In 1987, after a spirited campaign by a group of fourth graders, yes, you read that right, the Arkansas legislature officially designated the vine-ripe pink tomato as the state fruit. These young students, passionate about their local produce, managed to capture the attention of lawmakers. It was a victory not just for tomatoes, but for the passion and pride that Arkansans felt for this humble yet delicious fruit. The campaign by the fourth graders showcased the deep connection the community had with the tomato and highlighted the importance of local agriculture. The rest, as they say, is history. The designation of the vine-ripe pink tomato as the state fruit cemented its place in Arkansas's legacy. It became a symbol of the state's agricultural success and the power of community action. Today, the vine-ripe pink tomato stands as a testament to Arkansas's agricultural heritage and a symbol of the state's love for all things local and delicious. It represents the hard work of farmers, the unity of communities, and the enduring spirit of a state that cherishes its roots. The story of the Arkansas tomato is woven into the very fabric of the state's history and culture. It's a tale that spans generations, from the early settlers who first tilled the fertile soil to the modern-day farmers who continue to cultivate this beloved fruit. From its humble beginnings as a garden staple to its rise as a culinary icon, the tomato has played a starring role in the lives of generations of Arkansans. Whether in a simple salad or a complex sauce, the tomato's versatility has made it a favorite in kitchens across the state. Early settlers quickly recognized the potential of Arkansas's fertile land for growing these juicy treasures. The rich, loamy soil and favorable climate provided the perfect conditions for tomatoes to thrive. Tomatoes found their way into kitchen gardens across the state, becoming a staple of the Southern diet. They were not just a source of sustenance, but also a point of pride for many families. Families passed down seeds from generation to generation, each harvest a testament to tradition and resilience. These heirloom varieties carried with them the stories and memories of those who had come before. With the rise of commercial farming in the early 20th century, Arkansas tomatoes gained national recognition. Farmers began to experiment with different varieties, seeking to improve yield and flavor. The state became known for producing some of the finest tomatoes in the country, prized for their flavor, texture, and versatility. Arkansas tomatoes were soon being shipped to markets across the nation, bringing a taste of the South to tables far and wide. But the tomato's significance goes beyond economics. It is a symbol of the state's agricultural heritage and a reminder of the hard work and dedication of those who have tended the land. It represents a way of life, a connection to the land, and a shared heritage that unites Arkansans. The tomato is more than just a fruit. It is a part of the state's identity. From family recipes passed down through generations to the lively chatter at farmers' markets, the tomato is a symbol of community and tradition. It brings people together, whether in the kitchen, at the table, or in the fields. Festivals and events celebrating the tomato are a testament to its importance in Arkansas culture. These gatherings are filled with joy, laughter, and, of course, plenty of delicious tomato-based dishes. Chefs and home cooks alike continue to find new and innovative ways to use tomatoes, showcasing their versatility and enhancing their flavors with creative recipes. The simple act of slicing a tomato can evoke memories of summer days, family gatherings, and the comforting taste of home. It's a reminder of the enduring bond between the people of Arkansas and this remarkable fruit. As the sun sets over the tomato fields of Arkansas, it casts a golden glow on a tradition that has been nurtured for generations. The story of the Arkansas tomato is a love story, one that continues to grow and flourish with each passing season.